Hello everyone, today I'm going to take a quick look at my kayak hoist that I purchased off of Amazon. Here I have a 10-foot kayak, and then my garage ceilings are 13 foot. So pretty tall in here. The thing I like about this kayak hoist is it gets it really high up off the ground, and so I can have a vehicle over here and have no interference with it. The other thing I like about this is it's got really nice straps that go all the way around the kayak on each side, and good hooking mechanism here as well. And then here's your pulleys on each side. So those are very nice quality as well. And then the other thing they give you is they give you a cleat here so you can attach that to the wall. And then if you have any excess rope, I can just wrap it around there. So that's really easy. And as far as specs, this one can hold up to 125 pounds of weight. So you can use it for kayaks or big ladders. I've even seen other people use these for holding like those little cargo carriers that you put on top of vehicles. So some pretty neat uses for this system. So overall, I think it's a really good product and I would recommend it.